with I, you, we, they. Use does with he. Practice time. Fill in the key trick to remember them. Here, final quiz. Let did or done? Answer: did. 2. Hey, everyone. Welcome to our channel English Gateway. Today, we're going to learn how to use do, does, did, and done correctly in English. I'll explain them step by step, and we'll practice together. Ready? Let's go. Step 1. Understanding do and does, present tense. Use do with I, you, we, they. Use does with he, she. We use do and does in the present tense to talk about actions or ask questions. Examples: I do my homework every day. You do exercise in the morning. We do our work on time. They do a great job. He does his homework in the evening. She does yoga every morning. It does not look good. Practice time. Fill in the blank. She her work at night. Does or do? Answer: does. Good. Next. They their assignments in the library. Does or do? Answer: do. Step 2. Using did, past tense. Use did for all subjects I, you, we, they, he, she, it. It is used for past actions. Examples: I did my homework last night. She did a great job on the test. They did their best in the competition. He did not call me yesterday. Did is used in the past, so it replaces do and does when talking about something that already happened. Practice time. Say the correct word. His project last week. Do, does, or did? Answer: did. Next one. They not like the movie. Do, does, or did? Answer: did. Step 3. Understanding done, past participle. Use done with has, have, had. It is the past participle of do. Examples: I have done my work. She has done a great job. They had done all the preparations before we arrived. Remember, we never use done alone. It always needs has, have, or had before it. Practice time. Choose the right form. She already her homework. Did done plus has or have? Answer: has done. Last one. We never this before. Did done plus has or have? Answer: have done. Step 4. The key trick to remember them. Here's a simple trick to remember them easily. Do and does present daily routine facts. Did past happen before? Done past participle needs has or have or had. Quick memory tip. Think of do and does as today, did as yesterday, and done as completed work. For example, today I do my homework. Yesterday did my homework. Completed: I have done my homework. Now, let's move on to the final quiz. Final quiz. Let's test your knowledge. Fill in the blanks in these sentences. Ready? 1. I my best in the exam. Did or done? Answer: did. 2. He already his work. Did done plus has or have? Answer: has done. 3. They not like the food. Do, does, or did? Answer: did. How many did you get right? Tell me in the comments. Great job! Now, you know how to use do, does, did, and done correctly. Keep practicing, and soon it will feel natural. Before you go, hit the like button if this helped you. Subscribe for more easy English lessons. Comment below which part was the hardest for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson. Has, used with he, she, singular subjects. She has a pen. Have, used with I, we, you, they, plural subjects. I have a car. Had, used with all subjects in past tense singular plus plural. I had a meeting yesterday. At, in, on, at home, at school, at work, at the top, at the store, at a party, in the sky, in a boat, in a car, in a taxi, in the box, in a row, on the way, on a ship, on a plane, on a bus, on the left, on the radio, on the right,